Really? Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi and I use Naomi World. Yeah, because it's my world that you guys are going to be seeing. So today it's an evening and I decided to, okay, my sister has been telling me to come, like, to explore where we stay, and I didn't have this like attitude, the love towards the environment, to walk around and see what we've got. But goodness, you people can't believe what I just saw. We have a beautiful, amazing scenery. I'm not just saying like four, but you know, this is super amazing. So I've come here, I've taken some shots, and oh goodness, like I couldn't just go without showing you guys. So one thing, first and foremost, I forgot to thank you all that subscribed, all those that viewed, all those that liked and commented. You guys are super adorable. I can't thank you enough. Like, you guys have subscribed when there is no video of me talking to you or you seeing my face, just professional picture videos that I did, and you guys trusted me with your subscriptions. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. That's totally amazing. So today my makeup was done by World Touch, nails World Touch, I'm dressed by World Touch, and my sister the one taking all those wonderful pictures that you're going to see. Actually, she's the one behind the camera. I know she doesn't like to be in these things, but you know, I have to give her credit sometimes where it's due. Oh my. So basically I'm not going to talk about many things today. Since this is my first video, I just want you to enjoy. Maybe, oh, maybe if you have some appreciations, you can drop them and everything, etc. But basically, please just talk my Instagram. You're gonna see these bomb videos and pictures, like it's wow. So basically you guys have to see this. I know I'm going to take a lot of pictures from here, trust me. Like this place, I totally love it. And if you love some beautiful sceneries, please just leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like. Get your friends to just see this. You people got to see this. My goodness, I love you all. I appreciate all you love. Please don't stop, because many things are about to come in.